Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notification instantly. Hey hi everyone, this is Mukesh once again from learn-automation.com. This is part 3, or I will say the next video on Katalon, where we will talk about the Katalon Analytics. Okay. Now Katalon also comes with pre-built analytics, which is Katalon Analytics. Right now it is in the beta version, but still you can use it, and you can see here they have a team section and they also have a project section. So you can have multiple projects here and you can update the projects according to your requirement. So it is, I will not say exactly like Jira or QC or any other test management tool, but they're working on it and soon they will come with a new versions and new features. As of now, you can create your projects here and you can update the direct results from Katalon. You don't need to come manually and update. Okay. So in order to do that, first of all, you have to come and you have to create a project. So let's say I have only one project till now, which is Mukesh. I will create this called API test underscore learn automation. This is my project I have, and I have few tests here which I want to update. Okay, so this project created. Now let's go back to Katalon, and this is what we have developed so far. Now if you come to Windows and just go to project and go to settings, you also have this section called integration. Okay, so till now they have analytics, which is nothing but Katalon Analytics, Jira, and they also have the Q test. Okay, so for Katalon Analytics, you need to click on this section. This URL by default it will come, and first thing you need to log in with your credentials. So I already have an account here, so I will log in with my account, which is mukeshutwani.50@gmail.com. Password I will give which I have created. Encrypt. Okay, first let's connect. If it is able to connect, it will give you the number of projects which you have, number of teams which you have, and you can see it is taking some time. And yes, it has already listed I have 2 projects. You can also create a project directly from here, but you can see the options are coming automatically. By default, one team is there, so it is coming, and I will not select any other team, and the project also the same. Okay, and you can also see, you can select these check boxes that once we are done with the test result, it will attach the screenshot and log automatically. Click on apply and click on OK. Let's go back to this particular project which we created. Okay, let me refresh this. Okay, this project is already here, and since we have created this new project, so you cannot see any test till now. What I will do, I will go ahead and run this test suite which we created. Okay, so I don't want to run this delete and post one, so I will uncheck this. I will only run the first 2 test cases. So let me quickly run this test, and the tests are running, and yes, the test passed. Total 3 tests, no, 2 test cases. I will come, and if I refresh, still no records. Just a minute, let me refresh. Might take some time. Okay, let me check, something went wrong. Okay, so let's go to project settings. It's already in the beta version, so maybe we have to wait for some time, or let's check what else options we have. Everything is enabled. Okay, maybe I have 2 accounts here. Okay, let's check. Let me connect, apply and save, and let me run one more time. Tests are done. and you can see actually I was using a different email. Okay, so just now it's given the right email, and you can see now it integrated perfectly fine. View history, right now we don't have history, so it will only show you the one record, but you can see the ID, which version browser we don't have because we're not using web UI testing. Okay, and if you click on this particular ID, which is nothing but your project, it will show you how many times you have executed. Okay, so right now we executed only one, and this particular test project has the two test cases. Okay, one took 383 millisecond, one took 3 seconds, and you can go and check the exact build number. Okay, so this is the complete summary. Okay, and just one thing, you will also get a button called CSV file. Okay, if you download this, you will see the execution in a CSV format. Okay, you can see it automatically integrate. You don't need a manual steps to integrate to your test management. Yes, definitely, if you have some other test management tools like QC and Jira, Bugzilla, right? Not Bugzilla, but some other tool like TestLink, Qtest. Bugzilla is not a test management tool. And you can integrate easily. Soon they will come with multiple options, but as of now I can see only three options, which is Jira, Qtest, and Katalon Studio. Okay, here also you can see how easy it is. You just have to provide the Jira user name, password, server, which project and which type. It will automatically update your test cases. Soon I will be creating a Jira project. I will create some test cases and I will show you how you can update the Jira as well. Okay, that's all I have for this video. Okay, if you still have any doubt, you can contact me, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe to my channel for more updates, and I will be uploading videos on the test automation. Okay, and this is my email ID, mukesh.wani, learn-automation.com. If you have any doubt, feel free to drop an email. Okay, thank you so much guys, have a nice day, bye bye.